Hey y'all, my name is Jennifer. I know it's been a minute since I've actually shown my face on here and actually talked to y'all, but I just have to let y'all know that I messed up this outfit so bad. I called myself trying to make this 1950s vintage dress. First of all, I've never done buttons a day in my life. I don't even have a button foot. So that's screw up number one. Number two, I never done the collar before. The shirt was looking good until I added the collar. Now it looked like a clown suit. Then the skirt, I use this poofy fabric because I didn't want to add, netting to it at the bottom. I hate using tulle. So yeah, I use this rosette fabric. It's cute, but I don't know how to attach it to the bodice. You have to attach it to the bodice and then it's supposed to zip up from the side. I'm going to show y'all because y'all going to think I'm over exaggerating, but it looked like a clown suit. I don't know if I didn't use the right fabric or I didn't use the right interfacing or I just don't know how to sew it, but it looked crazy. Okay, so that's the top. This is the skirt. Now keep in mind, this is pinned, so that's why I look a little raggedy, but this is sewn on there. This is sewn on there. These are the buttonholes I tried to make. So, yeah. This is the side that you're supposed to leave open because you're supposed to sew down there and that's how you step into it. Yeah, it looks like a clown suit. I'm gonna try to fix it, but honestly, I might just have to start over from scratch. The skirt is good because that's simple. But that top part, gots to go. What? You made it to the end of the video? Look at you being great. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I need help. I'm trying to get up to 500 at least. I'm only at 207. So, if you could, please subscribe. Thank you.